Digital marketing refers to the use of digital channels, platforms, and technologies to promote and advertise products, services, or brands to consumers. It encompasses a variety of activities and techniques designed to connect with audiences through the internet and electronic devices. Here are some key elements and methods involved in digital marketing: search engine optimization, SEO. Optimizing websites and content to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs, for relevant keywords, driving organic, non-paid traffic. Content marketing, creating and delivering valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and engage target audiences. Ultimately driving profitable customer activity. Social media marketing, promote products, engage with customers, and build brand awareness using social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and others. Email marketing, running paid ads on platforms like Google Ads or social media channels where advertisers pay a fee each time their ad is clicked. Affiliate marketing, partnering with individuals or organizations, affiliates, to promote products or services, rewarding them with a commission for each sale or lead generated through their efforts. Influencer marketing, collaborating with influencers to promote products or services, individuals with a large following and influence on social media or other digital platforms. Video marketing, digital marketing offers a range of benefits including precise targeting, cost effectiveness, measurable results, and the ability to reach a global audience. As technology and consumer behavior evolve, digital marketing continues to adapt by incorporating new trends and innovations to effectively engage and convert consumers.